Just to the chicken. Willow tree chicken. Premium white meat chicken salad. Classic. Sort of cities right there. My wife loves the willow tree. I love the willow tree. A lot of people I know love willow tree. Can't say that I know anyone that doesn't. At least not yet. And of course, I've had willow tree chicken salad before. But look at how much that is packed. Tastes like regular classic chicken salad. Like regular willow tree chicken salad. I mean, all right, let's get to that shrimp.